What's going on, guys? Today we are driving a 2019 E63s. This is the 4MATIC Plus. This is pre the newest facelift, so it doesn't have all those exhaust restrictions and emissions stuff, especially not this one. This has got catless downpipes, CPC tune, the VMAX is maxed out, so you can go as fast as this thing will let you go. Today we will just be doing some POV. We'll do some the non-sexual POV, and we'll be doing the we'll do a sound clip for you guys, and we'll do a small review. You know, we'll try and figure out what you guys are interested in for the next video, and hope you guys enjoy. So as far as these cars compare, you know, you have your E63s, what we're driving currently. You have the comparable M5 competition. You have the Panamera 4S Turbo, you know, they both, all three quietly rival each other, you know, in similar aspects. Of course, the Panamera makes almost 100 more horsepower. The M5, you know, they're head to head as far as power goes, you know, give or take 10, 20, 30 horsepower. I actually personally own a 2019 BMW M5 competition. As far as driving that car versus this car, I'm quite a bias when it comes to Mercedes, but take a right here. But the E63s is just so much more fun to drive. It's such a driver's car. You feel more, it's less robotic. It's just all in all, just a much more enjoyable experience. It's not as comfortable. It rides rough. You know, so does the M5. But you know, when I think about it, it really just comes down to you know, the quality, the way you feel when you drive it, you know, how you experience the road. And the M5's planted, E63 is planted, you know, they both have two-wheel drive mode, they both can get rowdy. The M5 on paper and in realistic, you know, road testing is faster than this car. But in my opinion, I think the E63 kind of steps a little bit above the standard, just because of the quality of the build, you know, the seats, the doors, just the way things close and open, the functions, the electronics, the dashboard. It's very modernized. I feel like I'm in a fucking spaceship, guys. I mean, look at this. Look at this. It's got all corner ambient lighting, carbon fiber literally everywhere. The screen is bigger than my TV at home. You know, it is compatible with Apple CarPlay, compatible with Android Auto. You know, obviously so is BMW, but you know, as to be the price point as well, this is significantly higher MSRP when it was new. You know, the M5 is probably like 110, 118, I think the max you can get them is like 128, and then you get into the CS realm with all the extra carbon fiber stuff. You know, that car is obviously a lot more expensive, but at the price point of this new, little over 115 grand, fully optioned, you know, maybe 125, you just get so much more. I feel like you just get, you know, the sound system in this car is incredible. The M5, it's aight. It's not great. But all in all, they're both fantastic driving cars. This car is like, it's mental. It does it sometimes, it does it other times, it's 5 times as loud other times. You know, every crackle and pop sounds slightly different. I almost just got T-boned. Like, you know, you don't get that in the M5. given the M5 doesn't have downpipes, you know, or any kind of exhaust modifications, you know. Yeah, this thing is genuinely impressive. And those sounds. Those sounds are wild, man. Truck. Goosebumps, bro. Launch control activated. ESP off, manual on, and then race mode. You mash both pedals. Craziness, bro. And it feels so strong when you do that. It feels like it wants to be there. It wants to break loose. I've had some cars that you do launch control in and they just want to explode. Streamline Automotive Group for letting us borrow their car. This is available in the Greenville area, Greenville, South Carolina, for rent on Turo. You can also contact us directly, email us, and you can book this car today. Fast, fun, loud, luxurious. Anybody will enjoy it.